Hello everyone, I am Hassan, and today together we are in a new tutorial in Tyflow. We will create this army together using Tyflow in 3D Max. As we see here, we're creating this movement using some character animation with the help of Tyflow particle system. We will create this animation together. Let's go. In order to do this tutorial, you need the last version of Tyflow, so you need to download it from this site, and then let's go together. First of all, we have to have this animation, so we need to have one of two options: either to have the animation inside Max using the standard animation here, or to import an animation from other sites like Mixamo, for example. So here I have prepared character in order to use it here for this tutorial. Just a moment. This character here, as you see here, this character have already rigged. If we have a look, as we see, till I think 43, maybe 43. Okay, so let's hide the hips, just see the mesh itself. Okay, so in order to use this character here, as we see, the animation all is in the center of the Max, so I can move it anywhere here. If I move it any axis, it will destroy the animation. In order to control the animation or control the character to move it anywhere in my scene, and at the same time save the animation that's already rigged in the character, very easy. Just to do this, I need to go here to the helpers, and to add a point, just draw it anywhere like that. Okay, show the box just to see it. Okay, go to move. Let's have a look here. I need to be sure that the point is at the center, so come here, 0 0, just to make sure it's already at the center. But before adding this, let's hide the point. Okay, I have here an arrow, see? I need it to be out, just maybe to use it later on. So let's take it out like that. Okay, no, this, yes, the arrow. Just name it the arrow here. Alright, and let's go back and take this one here. But before doing anything, I need to move the anchor point here, just to be back like that. That's all, because later on I will use it in my scene. Anyway, let's go back here to the character. Let's show here the point and the usher. Click them and take them inside the point. Okay, and rename the point itself, for example, to be usher. Okay, so now when I click to that point and go anywhere, I can move the character anyway, and also I'm sure it will go move right, as you see here. Cool. In order not to see all these hips and I just need to see the character, let's hide the hips. Double click and hide all of them just to see my character here. As we see, nice. Okay, so now I prepared my first character here, the usher. Let's take it over there, for example, and let's import another one. I've already prepared another one from XAML. I remember it was the fast run. Okay. Yes. As you see here, this fast run is another character. But I have here a problem, which is what? As we see here, it moves until the frame 36. If we go back to see here, this one here, the usher, moves until 42 or 43. Okay, so both of them are not the same. This one here, it will stop after 36, and then the other character will go and this will stop. I can't do this. I need both of them to move at the same frames. So I need to extend this a little bit more. How to do this? Very easy. Just to select all the hips of that character or animated character and select all the keys here. Okay, or let's do it like that. Or just first move here till 42. Okay, select this one, select all these frames, and right click over here and come to Configure, Show Selection Range. Okay, and I need to extend this one a little bit to be till frame 42 or frame 33, like that. Okay, so now when I go, both of them are moving till 43. Cool. That's exactly what I need. Very good. Now let's do the same here. Let's come here and add, using the helper, add a point over there. Be sure, select to move and be sure it's over 0, 0, 0. And just come here. Maybe if you want to, come close to his foot. Okay, just to be sure it's at the center. Okay, or if I want to, just like that, anywhere you want. Okay, and let's select all the hips, let's select all the mesh. Okay, and take them under the point. Okay, yes, and let's rename it what about guard? Okay, and let's select all the hips and hide it. Okay, and now I can go here, take the point, move it over there, and now I have both of them, for example like that. Okay, moving together, see? it's affected a little bit the movement of this guard, but it's okay. It will not be noticed when we add the army later on. Okay, nice. So now we have prepared our characters that we will use inside Tyflow. Let's save our scene. Okay, and let's use set army creation, for example, and let's go to Tyflow. Okay, so I will create here the actor, Tyflow actor, one for the guard and another one for the archer. Okay, so let's pick one for everyone. Let's take the first actor here. Okay, first actor will be with the guard. Okay, so let's take here actor underscore guard. Okay, and let's go here to the actor guard, and first of all it will need to pick the mesh. It will not need the hips. Okay, it just needs the mesh. So let's pick and go to the guard here. Oh shit, sorry. First I need to open the mesh and then pick mesh. Okay, so I picked here the mesh I need to move. So first of all, this actor needs to ask you to give me the actor rigging. Where is the rigging? So I give it the meshes that's rigged. And then it comes to ask me here at the animation part. The animation, where is the animation sequence? When I add the animation sequence, it tells me that the animation here starting from 0 to 30. My animation is starting from 0 to 43. Okay, why it's not typing? Okay, but in order to be at the safe side, let's make it 42. About the sequence, it's very, very, very important here. So don't forget to rename this and to remember this name because you will need it later on in the Tyflow. So let's typing here guide or guard underscore running. Okay. Here remember that you can add more than one animation sequence. For example, your character is running and then going down and then getting up and then jumping. So you have to need to understand your animation starting from what to what. How many frames is doing that action. Running, jumping, going down, swimming, whatever the action is. And after you know the sequence here, you just need add it to the animation box. So you can add 1, 2, 3, 4 animations, whatever you want. Just add it here, name it over there, and add the frames that has that movement or that action. Okay, so now we add the first one. Let's go to the second one. Okay, here, this one. I didn't rename it. So, yes, here. So, actor underscore arc or archer, whatever. Okay, and let's go here. Yes. To pick. Before we pick, just go to the archer. The archer here, I will not include my hips, but I will include all these meshes. So I can pick go to here and come to my, oh, it's not moving. Hello. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's move this and come once again to the archer, to the meshes, and take all these meshes here, pick, okay, and then come over here to the animation, do the same, and don't forget to change the sequence to 42 and the name to R underscore running. Okay, so I have here two sequences, one for the arc and one for the guard. Cool. Now I need to add my my Tyflow icon here, Tyflow, and let's add the icon. And now here I have finished preparing my system. Okay, I've added my actors and I have added my characters, the animation, and now let's go together to the Tyflow. So I'll open here the Tyflow editor. Let's minimize it a little bit. Come here. Remember, I'm using 14, so the last version is very, very important. But before doing that, I forgot to draw the icon over here. So let's go to my Tyflow. Okay, and ask for the icon. Just go back, and I need to draw someone just to be big. Okay, just like that, and rename it because I may need more than one icon. So let's name it Ty birth Tyflow birth, or birth icon. Okay, underscore icon. And now let's go to my Tyflow here, open the editor, and let's start together. Of course, I need to see here my icon. Just come here. Let's add a birth. Make this birth starting from 0 to, for example, 200. Oh yeah, I didn't change the timeline. Let's change it first to 700, for example. Okay, so now I can change here the end to be 250, for example. This display I will not need it any later, but let's change it to geometry for now. Okay, until now I didn't see anything here. I changed it to geometry, so I didn't see anything. Let's make it, for example, for now, small dots, like that. Oh, I didn't add any position. So let's come here and here, yes, position icon. Okay, and pick that icon here. Alright, now begin to see something. Keep it on this surface, doing nothing here. But instead of these icons over there, or these dots, I need to add it these two meshes. So I will add another operator here called actor. Yes, here that. Let's remove this and let's add the meshes. So let's select these both, the arc and the guard, or let's come here to these two actors. So just select these two actors and add selected. Okay, remember I'm having here two rigged characters, so let's go down and make sure that you select rigged particles. I need to take rigged particles. Let's have a look here to see is something changed. Nothing haven't changed. Why? Because I didn't connect both of these. Okay, in order to connect both of these together and to birth actors, I need to come here, tab, and take send out. Okay, so send out, when birth, send out the actors. Let's come here, change, switch this one, and come here. See, as soon as I connected, it came already, as we see here. So now I didn't need this display. Display is not needed. Okay, and this also will not need it, but let's delete it later on. So here I have more and more of my particles, but just move a little bit. Just wait, come back because of the action. Now, before we going on, let's come closer to see two problems. The first problem is that, as we see here, it's not smoothing at the main character. It has something like we see here, it's like all the low meshes. The second problem here, that all of these characters are sticking together, like hugging each other. So I don't need this. I need each character just move by itself, have some space. So let's solve these problems. Okay, I don't need this this low poly lock. How to solve the first problem? So here, let's take the first character over here. First of all, I need just to select that character. Be careful, because every step you will take, it will need some time to simulation. So just slow down. Okay. So here I came to my character. Select all the clothes. Select all the clothes, and then hide the skin. Just wait some moments. Okay, go to the editing mode, go down, the editable poly, yes. Okay, face, Control A to select all the faces like that. Come down here, clear all the smoothing groups, cleared, and now auto smooth. Okay, now come up once again, remove that face, select the skin. See here, see the difference? Very, very different. As we see here, come to the skin. Yes, now we solved the problem. It became smoothie. Let's do the same with the other character. So let's select this one, hide the skin, editable poly, yes, select the faces, Ctrl A to select all the faces, go down, 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 just wait, clear all the smoothing groups, okay, cleared, auto smooth now, okay, now come up, remove this, come to this skin, see, just wait, 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 yes, as we see here, we solved the first problem. So now here, I don't need both of these anymore, so let's hide the guard, the mesh, yes, and the arc. Hello? Like that. Nice. Remember that I do have this arrow. I'll use it later on, so let's come back here. So now I want to solve the second problem. Sorry for the interruption, so let's go back. I'll take here the Tyflow and go to the editor. Before we solve the second problem, I need them to move. As we see here, if we have a look, they are appearing, all of them, but no one of them begin to move. In order to make all of them moving, I need another actor here, or another operator called the actor animation. Okay, right here. So let's take the actor animation. The actor animation here, it began to importing the animation of the actors you imported in your Tyflow. So first of all, I need to play the animation and to take the name of the sequence of the animations. Remember that every actor here has a name of the sequence, animation sequence. If you remember here, this sequence. So I need to write the same name of these sequences over here. Okay, remember, don't make any mistakes of the spelling. So I have here the arch underscore running. Okay, and I do have another animation of the guard. In order to add another one, I make a separation using comma. So comma, guard underscore running. Okay, very important, the spelling and the separation. If we have a look here, you could make some variations in order not to make all of the army move at the same movement. So let's make about 15 or 25, okay, variations. Make them loop. Don't stop at 42, but loop at till the end. Okay, now let's have a look here. Let's see from the start. Some of them moving, others not moving. Why? I stopped the video to find a solution for the stopping of the army here, until I found that every actor needs its event here, like that. See, I don't have anyone stopping here. Let's just stop. Everyone is moving, running. Why? Because I came here to the actor and just take the guard, and for the animation just take the guard running. Okay, so I need to take the same events for the other character. Before doing this, I need to rename the events. For example, Tyflow underscore army anime or anime birth, army birth. Okay. Oh, sorry. Underscore birth. Okay, and for this, let's name it initial animation. Okay, and I need both of these here. Take a copy of them and just take the instance to switch, just like that. Okay, and for this one here, I need to take the animation and the actor. Here, instead of the guard, I need to take the arch. Yes, it's selected. And for the running, arch, running. Okay, but here, for the actor, the guard, let's make some frequency not to be 100% of the scene, just 75. For example, just for variations, I need the arch to be more. Let's have a look. Yes, now I begin to see both of them. I don't want to see these dots anymore. Let's hide them. Okay, so I don't need to see these dots and these dots. They begin to hide. Okay, so now we have making them appear, move, but at the same place. I need them to start moving from their place and to go around the scene. How to do this?